Number 3, everything is chaos, bro. Everything is flux. Everything's change. The number 3 error of metaphysics that most people make, metaphysical mistakes. All reality is flux, bro. The only constant is change, bro. All of these stupid cliches that have an air of wisdom about them, but are really nonsense. Total nonsense. Now people are wanting to buy me Funko. Now people are going to make me into Funko Pop. Everything is chaos. Everything is flux. Total nonsense statement. Total nonsense. In order to make that statement, some things must not be in flux. Some things must not be under the purview of constant change and chaos. Because if everything was subject to chaos, flux, and change at all times, nothing had any status of being permanent, abstract, invariant, then you couldn't make that statement. In other words, everything is chaos would also be subject to the chaos, and then in no time, the opposite would be the case. Everything is not chaos, which would be self-refuting. Now, how many people believe stupid crap like this? A lot. A lot of people think the 3 things that we've gone through so far are super deep wisdom, bro. Everything is chaos, everything's flux. Now, a lot of philosophies adopted this view, right? A lot of the ancient philosophers, pre-Socratics, you can follow flux philosophy. Paganism is kind of a flux philosophy, all the way up into elements of communism, Marxism, Maoism, Leninism. They affirm versions of all reality being constant flux. And if everything's in constant flux, then there's nothing that's actually true or actually the case. And a lot of these philosophies are aware of the fundamental contradiction, and they just say, I don't care. I embrace contradictions. Contradictions are part of the chaos. Right? Part of the chaos. So everything is chaos, everything is flux is one of the super popular stupid mistakes. It's super easy to refute. It's obvious nonsense and not the case. And yet masses and masses of people believe that this is just progress. It's just a given. Oh, we all know that, right? We all know everything's in chaos. Everything's changing. Well, number one, you couldn't actually know even if your view was the case, you couldn't actually know that. How do you, as a limited, finite, stuck in one place at one time, how do you know everything is XYZ? You don't have access to that. That's a universal claim, universal state of affairs. You have absolutely no access to that given your limited paradigm. So as we can see right away, number 3, that everything is chaos, everything changes. Everything changes, right? Even 80s one-hit wonders, 90s one-hit wonders were infected by this satanic philosophy of everything. Everything changes. We're to the hell above. Everything changes. I don't even know. Who is that one-hit wonder chick? She embodies this. Everything changes.